when you're ready to turn in your work, we're going to use this site called Repellent, and it's really good for submitting work and me looking at it and grading it. Everything works very fast. The first step you want to do is create your account. My login's obviously going to look different because I've already logged in. What will happen is it will ask you for an email address. When you put in that email address, why are you not going to put in your school email? Because you don't have a school email. If you use that account, what's going to happen is Repellent's going to ask you to verify your email, which you don't have, and then we're all going to be in trouble, and your family will be disgraced for a minimum of 18 to 19 generations. So, once you get logged in, everything's verified, you're ready to go. You're going to see this screen here. You're going to want to click this Start Coding Now button. What are we coding in? Python. So we're going to click the Python, and it's going to look something like this. So it has all this jumble-y stuff here in your main, right? This is your main. You can start typing, and it'll disappear. So what I want to do before I do anything else is I'm going to take my existing name file and my ASCII art file. If you don't know that at this time, now you know. They should be in two separate files at this point. There's something very specific I want you to learn that I'm going to show you right now that makes it necessary that we have these two separate files. So if I go into main, I make sure main is selected. And what I want to do is import the other two files. So I'm going to import ASCII, and I'm going to import name. And inside of my file that says ASCII, I'll just make a print statement so you guys understand that it works. Your name picture, is it? No, it's not.
You are named.
First of all, I'm married to an English teacher, so my grammar is impeccable. And then I'm going to print, I'll leave that there. And then in name, I'm going to print, yeah, I reversed them. That's okay. Your ASCII should be here. All right, you guys ready for this? Okay, so both of these print statements are going to run based on the main tells them to. Okay, so the main, when you click this play button, it's not going to run individual files. It's only going to run the main. So you have to tell the main to run the files that you want to run, right? So if I click play now, picture will be here, ASCII will be here, right? I kind of screwed this up. Actually, that's ASCII picture name. So I didn't screw it up. There. Does that make sense so far? All right, now for the important part. Once you've verified that it runs, right? Because that's important. If you turn it in without running, again, disgrace to your family. Stanford will stop calling. It'll be really bad. We're going to have to get you a Miracosta application. It's not going to work out. So, here's this. Once you've verified that it works, you want to turn it in properly. Some of you are going, pay attention to this part. I'm serious. Some of you are going to be tempted to copy this link up here. That will actually not work. I cannot access that site. You're going to click the share button. Copy this link right here, the share link, and then you're going to go to Classroom, right? Obviously, my screen's not going to look the same, but if you go into the assignment, you're going to click Add Link, paste the link in, submit the assignment. Does that make sense? Questions?